how to add friends on Discord. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to add some friends on your Discord. So let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your device, or you can use the web version by going to discord.com. Log into your account, then click on your Friends tab on the left side to access your friends list. In the Friends tab, you'll see a button that says Add Friend. Click on this button to open the Add Friend dialog. Now, you need to enter your friend's Discord username along with their tag number. For example, if your friend's username is Gamer123, you can enter it exactly like Gamer123, then their tag number #4567, for example. After entering the username and tag together, click on the Send Friend Request button and you should see a confirmation message that your friend request has been sent. Your friend will receive the request, and once they accept it, they'll appear in your friends list. You can then chat, voice call, or even video call them directly on Discord. And that's it, you've successfully added a friend on Discord. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.